Larry Hoover was only 23 years old when he was locked up. Time passes as Larry comes to grips with his new normal in prison. At 71 years old, Larry Hoover has aged out of criminality and poses no safety threat to society. Quite the contrary. Larry Hoover has the ability and the desire to be the voice and influence that restores our communities. He has already made his mark by turning the G in gangster to growth and the D in disciple to development, all while being incarcerated. In 1998, Larry Hoover was placed in solitary confinement. Imagine spending 2 decades in solitary confinement. All of his visits were contactless visits, one of the most inhumane situations that a human being has to endure. Like Ye and Drake, let's come together and use our voices to make this happen. This is not a moment, it's a movement. It's time to free Larry Hoover.